Hey guys, today we're going to actually have Cozmo ride an elephant. Obviously it's a robotic elephant, but this here's from the Jimu Robot series. This here's the Inventor Kit. Definitely a really cool looking robot, and you actually can build a lot of different pieces with it. This one here is the elephant itself, but they have a giraffe, they have a humanoid, and so on and so forth. Anyways, so I got Cozmo over here. So we're going to actually go ahead and put Cozmo on the back of him and see if he can actually hold onto the elephant and kind of ride it. How cool would that be, right? So let's just go ahead and try this out and see how this all works out. Alright, you ready, Cozmo? Oh! Oh no! Alright, we're gonna try this again and see if this works. Alright, Cozmo, you ready to ride an elephant? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, and walk! Alright, he did it! So Cozmo literally just rode an elephant, a robotic elephant. How cool is that? You know, so you can do different things as well with this robot. So let's try doing a drink and see how that looks. So an elephant's actually acting like an elephant is really cool to see as well. So just besides riding it, you know, seeing Cozmo kind of interact with it is definitely very unique. But more or less, really cool idea. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you had any questions about the elephant robot, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.